Merhaba. Hi guys. How are you today? Um, we are going to continue the greetings today. So I will mainly talk to you about how to make conversation. Okay. So here's a sample conversation. I will read and also I will translate it for you. Okay. Okay. Yesterday we did a example. It's pretty similar to this one. So, merhaba. So, before we start, Ayşe and Meryem. Those are names, okay? Those are Turkish names. So, Ayşe says merhaba, right? Hello. And Meryem also says merhaba, right? Hello. And Ayşe start with benim adım Ayşe. Senin adın ne? Benim adım Ayşe. Senin adın ne? I think you remember this sentence from yesterday, right? Benim adım Ayşe. My name is Ayşe. Senin adın ne? What is your name? And Meryem answers, benim adım Meryem. My name is Meryem. And Ayşe says, memnun oldum. Means nice to meet you. Right? Memnun oldum. And Meryem says, ben de memnun oldum. Ben de memnun oldum. Nice to meet you too. All right. Let's continue. Okay. Here's a matching activity. We are gonna do it together. Okay. So you already have the number one, right? Senin adın ne? Senin adın ne? What is your name? So the answer is benim adım Mehmet. My name is Mehmet. Next one is iyi günler. So if somebody says iyi günler, what do you say? You will say the same thing, right? İyi günler. If somebody says good days to you, you will say good days to the other person. So iyi günler, iyi günler. Memnun oldum. Memnun oldum. You say this after you meet with someone, right after you say your name. So it's nice to meet you, right? Memnun oldum. And if you say memnun oldum, the other person say ben de memnun oldum. Nice to meet you too, right? Nice to meet you too. Ben de memnun oldum. Okay, next one. Soyadın ne? Soyadın ne? What is your last name? And if you look carefully, you can see the same word here. So you can easily find the answer, right? So this is the answer. So soyadım Keskin. My last name is Keskin. And next one, adın ne? So same thing for here. If you look at the first word, adın, just check the options. Here it is. Right? So that's the answer. Adın ne? What is your name? And the answer is Adım Ali. My name is Ali. All right? All right, let's do this one together. So there's no option in here. You can guess. Just pause the video and try to guess. Try to write your answer somewhere. Then just play the video to see if you did it correct or not. All right. So that could be a good example. All right. Let's start. So if somebody says merhaba, what do you say? The same thing, right? Merhaba. And next one is senin adın ne? The other person asks you, senin adın ne? What is your name? And if somebody's asking your name, how do you say in Turkish? You say adım Burak. Okay? Adım Burak. My name is Burak. Peki senin adın ne? So this is a new word, right? This is like, well, what is your name? Peki senin adın ne? Well, what is your name? And the other person answers, benim adım Osman. Benim adım Osman. My name is Osman. And now, what do you say? What do we say right after we met someone? You say, nice to meet you, right? So if you don't remember the Turkish word, here is the clue. It's not even clue, it's the answer, by the way. So you will just write the same thing. Okay, memnun oldum. Nice to meet you. And the other person say, ben de memnun oldum. Nice to meet you too. All right? Any question? Please ask me. Okay, let's do this together. Another easy start. So if the other person say merhaba, what do you say? You will say the same thing. Merhaba, right? Merhaba. Hello. And he says merhaba. Hello. And he say benim adım Erol. Benim adım Erol. Means my name is Erol. Okay? My name is Erol. Okay? And if you say your name and you don't know other person's name, what do you say? What do you ask? You ask, what is your name, right? So in Turkish, that means senin adın ne? Oops. We all have ne, right? Senin adın ne? And how do you answer? How do you answer that question? So if you don't remember the question, oops, yeah. So senin adın ne? What is your name? If you don't remember the question, and if you have if you don't remember the answer, and if you have a conversation like this, use the other words right here. You will write the same thing. So you will say benim adım Mehmet. My name is Mehmet. And what do you say after that? What do you say after you met with someone? You say nice to meet you, right? So here is the word. Memnun oldum. Here it is. Memnun oldum means nice to meet you. And how do you say nice to meet you too? Here it is. Ben de memnun oldum. Okay? Ben de memnun oldum. All right. That's gonna be all today. We basically focus on how to make conversation, how to use what you learn in a sentence. Okay, that would be great if you listen and read what you have learned. You can also make practice if you have a chance. Okay, if you speak, if you talk uh, in Turkish, I know you don't have a lot of vocabulary in your mind, but if you use what you have learned, you will remember them, and then you will add more words later, and then you will easily speak another language. Okay? So please consider that and try to practice as much as possible. And I will see you in the next video, okay? Güle güle. Bye bye.